Have you ever felt like you're not that smart? 002. Everyone around you just gets it faster than you do. 005. What if I told you you might actually have a higher IQ than you think, but your brain just hides it in plain sight? 012. Stick with me until the end, because these 10 subtle signs reveal whether your intelligence is operating on a level most people never recognize. 020. And number 10, it's the one most geniuses share. 023. Let's get into it. 024. One you talk to yourself. 026. Sounds weird, right? 027. Studies from the University of Wisconsin found that people who verbalize their thoughts process information faster and retain it longer. 034. When you talk to yourself, you're literally coaching your own brain through complex reasoning. 040. Einstein did it. 041. So if you catch yourself mumbling through problems, congratulations too. 046. You overthink everything. 048. You replay conversations, question decisions, and imagine 50 different outcomes. 053. That's not anxiety, it's analysis. 055. Neuroscientists call this metacognition, the ability to think about 1 o'clock. Their own thinking 3. 102. You get bored easily. 103. If you can't stand repetitive routines, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your dopamine system craves novelty. 110. Highly intelligent people have a faster reward prediction system. 114. They get less dopamine from simple tasks, so their brain searches for more complex challenges. 120. 24. You doubt yourself constantly. 122. You've heard of the Dunning-Kruger effect. 125. It shows that the less someone knows, the more confident they are. 129. Meanwhile, the more someone does know, the more aware they become of what they don't. 134. So if you often question your abilities, you actually understand far more than you think. 5. 140. You stay up late. 142. Research from the London School of Economics found that people who prefer staying up late tend to score higher on intelligence tests. 151. Why? 151. Because creative insights often emerge when distractions fade and your brain can finally wander. 157. 6. You're sensitive to noise. 159. Ever get annoyed? 2 o'clock. By ticking clocks, loud breathing, or small background sounds that no one else seems to notice. 207. That's not oversensitivity, it's heightened sensory processing. 210. Your brain absorbs more data from the environment than average, which helps you detect patterns faster, but it can also lead to overstimulation. 220. 7. You procrastinate. 221. Psychologists at the University of Calgary discovered that many high IQ individuals use active procrastination. 227. Your brain doesn't like busy work. 230. It waits until something matters before going all in. 233. That's why you often perform your best at the last minute. 8. You remember random details no one else does. 242. The exact date something happened, a tiny fact from a documentary, or a random word someone said years ago. 249. That's your work